if I just put my hand on him and push him that way,
Yeah.
with feel,
Yeah.
and then when he follows that feel, that's okay. Good boy. Good, that was great. So a little choice to leave, but then following me back when I walked away from him. So.
Yeah.
Good boy. Good. You want more scratches? Yeah? You want more scratches? There we go. So the number one thing I want is for him to feel really comfortable with me. So a lot of people would go, oh, the horse shouldn't do that, that's dangerous.
Yeah.
He's going to kick you.
Yeah.
But he's doing that because I'm scratching him.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, give me a good scratch. Now, I'm not going to stand right behind him because we have seen that he can kick out.
Yeah.
But he was kicking out at the flies because I was biting his
Oh, there's
butt.
one right there on his leg.
Oh, got one there. Did you get it? Where'd
Yeah,
it go?
it's still there again.
Damn thing. So yeah, see how as he starts to realise, now I could start using the end of my rope. So we want him to get used to ropes, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I could start using the end of my rope and go, let's get the flies off you. My rope is a tail.
Yeah.
So often when I'm using a rope or a whip, I imagine that my rope or whip is a tail. It's the tail of the horse. So whatever a horse would do is what I do. So then if he gets flies on him, if I use my tail to get the flies off, he's going to start to go, oh, I actually quite like that rope. It's nice. It's keeping the flies off me. Did you get that? This is very pleasant.
And that wasn't nippy either. That was really soft.
He's like, I love you guys.
I know. I'm like, I'm gonna have to camp here with him until we can fly away.
Oh.
Let's have another carrot while we're at it. Yeah. That's nice, isn't it? You get scritches.
He's blinking more than
Yeah.
he. Did you notice that too?
Uh-huh. Look at him blinking. He's, way more open than he has been.
Ever. So maybe this time because that's what Storm, like, when the float came and Storm came, and everything of me was like, no, they're asking to stay. We just have to stay and trust this process, whatever this is.
Yeah.
Little did we know we were going to create a Brumby clinic series, but I feel like maybe, something has served him just being here.